This is the One Eyed Patriot, and we're going to do a review on a very good pocket knife for the money. It's economical on price, very strong and durable. It's the Smith & Wesson series. Pocket knife with a clip. For me, it's ideal for everyday carry. And I've lost quite a few pocket knives in my career, so hopefully I won't lose this one. So stay tuned and we'll look at this knife. Folks, if you ever just want a decent pocket knife, easy to carry, easy on the money, I consider Smith & Wesson's wide variety of pocket knives. This particular carry knife has actually a fake bullet on the side here. As you can see, it says Smith & Wesson on the actual bullet. Just kind of cool. See if I can find that for you. There we go. As you can see in my hand, the knife's not that big, but certainly will get the job done. Very tight, very strong. Here we go. Very strong. What I want to show you is this little thing on the on my fingertip, whatever you call it, makes it pop out. Now watch this. See how quickly that came out? So if I wanted to flip and put a little inertia in it, it would open right up. So I'll try it again here in front of you. I couldn't do it, just one hand and the camera. But you're getting the idea. This particular knife is pretty cool though. It has a tiger stripe design. It looks to me like it's called the Smith & Wesson Bullseye. And what else does it say here? Urban titanium camo. The handle is real strong. It has this nice pocket clip. Real easy to carry. And I like it. And it's strong. It even has this little piece here to kind of make it easy. Do your thing. It'll hurt you now. But, there we go. All in one piece. And right back into your pocket it goes. And I like those pocket knives because they are concealable. Easy to get around with. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe. This is the One Eyed Patriot. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. Until we talk again, this is the One Eyed Patriot signing off.